I'm Mars.
And I'm Tiffany.
And this is Terrell. And you're watching the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show.
Go, go, go!
Oh, yeah. I'm Chef Marge. Welcome back to the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show, where we help our brother Terrell make some of his favorite meals. Since Terrell is autistic, sometimes he can't really communicate to us what he wants all the time, so this is our way of helping him. So today's episode is all about toy donations.
Donations.
Ooh, aftershock. Alright, that's right. We're preparing to help donate toys to the Shade Tree this Christmas.
We'd like to ask you to tag along if you can. You can tag along one of two ways. Number one, you can comment down below or by leaving a comment on our Instagram at PKCS2018. Or you can message via us on Facebook for our camera woman, Audrey Ann, and she will give you information on where to send it.
Every person that donates will automatically be entered into our PKCS Toy Box giveaway. One lucky family will receive a box full of goodies and one gift per child for Christmas. The drawing for the box will be done on Sunday, December 16th. If you have any further questions on how to donate the toys, please comment below.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay positive.
And enjoy our pictures from Thanksgiving and our trip to the Opportunity Village Magical Forest. We had quite the blast.
Peace.